KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
Here's your weather video for this Sunday morning, December 16th. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray. And clouds out there this morning are early on this Sunday, but they'll be breaking up as we go through the day. And we've got a lot to talk about today, so let's get into the maps. Let's look at the 300 millibar height. That's 35,000 feet, showing our upper low exiting off to the northeast, centered over southwestern Virginia this morning. Showers are gone. We should be shower-free through the day today with decreasing cloudiness. The surface chart this morning shows the low over the mid-Atlantic states, high pressure beginning to build in from the west. And look at that big coastal or big storm off the coast of Alaska and British Columbia up to the northwest. You can't miss it. Central pressure in that system about 960 millibars. That's the typical type system they get up in that part of the country. When it comes down to the Pacific Northwest, it can create some tremendous windstorms. This one won't be that big of an effect. It will have some wintry effects for the Sierras of California, some wind advisories in effect for parts of Northern California and Oregon. Also some winter weather, winter storm warnings and advisories in effect for parts of northern Washington. You can see the decreasing cloudiness trend as we go into the late morning hours this morning off the HRRR. And that'll allow temperatures to warm well into the upper 50s over western Alabama. Clouds hang on a little longer in the east, keeping it a little bit cooler. We'll see lower middle 50s over the eastern half of the area, areas west of I-65 in the upper 50s this afternoon. Not too bad for mid-December. Now, this is the 500 millibar vorticity chart for tomorrow morning, showing an area of vorticity, a short wave moving into the mid-south area there, crossing through Arkansas, moving into Middle Tennessee. That'll be heading our way as we go through the day on Monday, but it just won't have anything to work with in the moisture department. And that means that no appreciable weather will accompany that system as it moves into Alabama. By Tuesday morning, high pressure firmly in control at the surface. You can see it there centered over the Ohio Valley, giving us fine weather for Tuesday as we go through time. Now, by Wednesday morning, we'll see a deepening trough to the west of Alabama. But I think for us here, we should stay dry again on Wednesday. High temperatures topping out around 59 to 60 degrees in most of these areas. But that is our next weather maker. And that system will be pushing to the west as we go through the day on Wednesday. It will begin to increase in intensity and deepen as it moves our way. And that means that the system will begin to pick up more energy. In fact, as we move toward Thursday morning, I think that we'll actually see a negatively tilted trough over the areas just west of Alabama, but it's going to be moving kind of slowly to the east, and that means that it's going to be slow for those showers to get into our area. I think they'll arrive into western Alabama late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. As the system continues to intensify, probably have a good shot of rain during the day on Thursday. Rain most likely around here Thursday morning into the early afternoon hours. Could see about 3/4 of an inch of rain from that system. This one will again wrap up, become closed off in an upper low fashion like we've seen with the last couple, and a deepening low pressure system will be over Ohio and West Virginia by Friday morning, but we'll see just lingering showers here in Alabama. Now, as we head into Friday, you'll see cooler conditions. Temperatures probably limited to the 40s Friday afternoon. But by Saturday morning, high pressure will begin to build in again and set the stage for a fairly nice weekend, Saturday and Sundays. We jet forward to Christmas Eve. We see a weakening cold front pushing toward Alabama. Some of those showers will get into here late Christmas Eve, last into Christmas morning. But that system will be weakening. I wouldn't expect much in the way of rain from that system. And we should have a fairly tranquil holiday. Now we enter a fairly stormy period, 27th through the 31st. This is Saturday the 29th. This is actually the second system moving through that week. I think we could see 2 to 4 inches of rain during that time period. And on Saturday the 29th, I think our temperatures may be pushing the upper 60s. Could that mean some severe weather for Alabama and the Deep South? Yes, that's quite a possibility. Still too far away to tell, and no real signals of that just yet. But just looking at some pattern recognition, it would appear that that might be the chance. Moving forward to New Year's Eve, strong shortwave trough moving through, finally putting an end to that week of rain. It looks like rain will be ending in Alabama during the day on Wednesday, or I'm sorry, during the day on New Year's Eve, and be out of here for New Year's Day. Now, we'll take a quick peek. My graphic's a little balky here this morning, but if we looked out at the 16-day temperatures off of the European, it appears that we could deal with some upper 60s and some well above temperatures, well above normal temperatures by that weekend of the 29th. Well, that's your weather video for this Sunday, the 29th. James will be back with 2-a-days next week. I'll be in with some of the videos during his vacation week, and be looking forward to that, which will be the week of Christmas. So until the next time I get together with you here on the weather video, I hope you have a great week. And remember, keep an eye to the sky, because you'll always have something fun to look at.